Do you know why so many Audi owners replace their battery too early? Why does your Audi suddenly show electrical warnings? Why does start-stop stop working first? Why do random MMI glitches appear when the car seems fine? Modern Audi vehicles are not simple cars anymore. They are rolling computer networks. Even when parked, modules remain active. Comfort systems, keyless entry, alarm monitoring, telematics, memory seats, and background diagnostics all consume energy. And here's the problem. Most owners treat the battery like it's still 2005. Audi models today use advanced technology. Audi models today use AGM batteries, EFB batteries, and intelligent battery monitoring sensors. These energy management systems communicate directly with the ECU. You cannot just replace a battery randomly. If you install the wrong type, start-stop may deactivate permanently, and voltage instability can cause sensor errors. MMI lag and reboot loops may appear. Even transmission behavior may feel inconsistent. Audi calibrates charging based on coding. Another mistake? Short trips. If you drive 5–10 minutes daily, your alternator never fully replenishes the charge. Cold start, heated seats, heated steering wheel, LED matrix lights, infotainment, all spike voltage demand. Now add parking for 3–5 days, winter temperatures, comfort access, and dash cams. You are slowly draining your battery. Many owners blame the battery brand, but the real issue is usage pattern. Low voltage does not just drain power. Low voltage can affect transmission smoothness and trigger ESP warnings or adaptive cruise temporary faults. It can even create steering assist anomalies, all because voltage dropped below a stable threshold. Stable voltage is critical. In this episode, we'll explain the correct battery type per Audi category and when you must code a new battery. We will show you how to preserve battery life 30–40% longer and the charging mistakes that damage AGM batteries. Stay until the end, because most Audi owners are shortening battery life by 1 to 2 years without knowing. Modern Audi vehicles require a systematic approach to electrical health. It is not just about the battery, it's about the network. Understanding your vehicle's energy management system is the first step to avoiding costly repairs and unexpected breakdowns. In the next sections, we will dive deep into the specific technical details every modern Audi owner needs to know. Welcome to the definitive guide on Audi electrical systems. Let's get started.
Now let's talk about what really separates an average Audi owner from someone who understands how the car actually works. The battery in your Audi is not just a power source. It is part of the vehicle's energy management system. Most modern Audi models use either AGM or EFB technology, and they are not interchangeable. AGM batteries are designed for high electrical demand, start-stop systems, and frequent cycling. They support advanced comfort systems, and EFB batteries are used in lower demand configurations. Installing the wrong battery type creates hidden problems. For example, installing EFB to save money, charging strategy becomes incorrect, and voltage regulation becomes unstable. Start-stop may deactivate, battery life shortens dramatically, and electronics may behave unpredictably. Audi's battery management system calculates charging based on type, capacity, age, and serial coding. This is why coding a new battery is critical. The vehicle must be informed of the new installation. You must register its capacity, technology type, and manufacturer coding. If you skip coding, the car still thinks the old battery is installed. It continues using old logic. Result? Undercharging or overcharging, reduced lifespan, and electrical instability. Many owners ignore this step. That mistake alone can cut battery life by 30%. Now let's talk charging. AGM batteries require controlled charging voltage. You cannot use old-school basic chargers. Use a smart charger with AGM mode. Maintain voltage around 14.4 to 14.8 volts. Avoid fast, aggressive charging. Never deep discharge below 12 volts repeatedly. Deep discharge is what kills AGM batteries early. If your Audi sits for long periods, use a battery maintainer, especially with dash cams. Aftermarket modules and keyless entry remain active during winter storage. Audi vehicles have background energy consumption even when locked. Another key mistake: jump starting incorrectly. Improper procedures can damage modules. Always follow Audi jumpstart points, not random metal parts in the engine bay. Battery health affects throttle response, gear shifting, and steering feel. Electronic suspension and modules depend on voltage. It's about system stability. In the next part, we'll look at seasonal strategy and real voltage numbers you should monitor. Most owners replace batteries too early or wait too long. We'll fix both mistakes. Subscribe to stay updated on the Golden Reset series for your Audi maintenance. Now let's go deeper. Most Audi owners don't replace their battery because it is old. They replace it because something starts behaving strangely. Slow start, start-stop disabled, MMI glitches, random warning lights, comfort functions switching off. But here's the truth. In most cases, the battery didn't fail suddenly. It was slowly deteriorating for months, and you can prevent that. First, understand this. Battery lifespan in modern Audi vehicles is heavily influenced by voltage stability and driving habits. Average lifespan: AGM 4 to 6 years, EFB 3 to 5 years. But with correct maintenance, you can extend that by up to 30 to 40%. Let's break down how. 1. Avoid short cold starts. Short trips are the biggest enemy of Audi batteries. If you start the car, drive 5 to 10 minutes, then turn it off, the battery never fully recovers from the starting load. Modern Audi engines require significant power during ignition, especially with turbo systems, electronic steering, heated systems, and advanced infotainment. If the alternator doesn't have enough time to recharge properly, the battery stays partially depleted. Repeated partial discharge reduces AGM lifespan dramatically. Solution: at least once per week, drive long enough to allow proper recharge, 20 to 30 minutes. 2. Monitor resting voltage. Healthy Audi AGM battery resting voltage follows a specific scale. 12.6 to 12.8 volts is excellent. 12.4 to 12.5 is acceptable. 12.2 is weak. Below 12 volts is a problem. You can measure this with a digital multimeter or via a diagnostic scan tool. If resting voltage frequently drops below 12.3 volts, battery stress is increasing. That's when preventive charging helps. 3. Use a smart maintainer, especially in winter. Cold weather increases internal resistance. At low temperatures, starting load increases and available capacity decreases. Winter is when most Audi batteries fail. If the car stays parked for days, use a smart battery maintainer compatible with AGM, not a basic trickle charger. Maintainers regulate charge properly without overheating the cells. 4. Reduce hidden drain. Modern Audi vehicles constantly consume small amounts of power for keyless entry, security modules, and control units in standby. If you add aftermarket dash cams, OBD trackers, or ambient lighting kits, you increase parasitic draw. Test parasitic drain if you suspect issues. Healthy sleep current should stabilize after the car fully enters sleep mode. If it doesn't, something is draining power. 5. Don't ignore early warning signs. If you notice start-stop disabled repeatedly, slow cranking, or MMI rebooting, check battery health before replacing expensive components. Many owners replace sensors, modules, or alternators when the real issue is voltage instability. Low voltage affects communication between control units, and Audi systems are sensitive. Replacing at the right time matters. Too early is wasted money. Too late is electronic risk. Battery failure during driving can create system limitations and limp behaviors. In the next step, we'll summarize. When replacement is truly necessary, how to choose the correct battery, and a final checklist before installation. Because doing it correctly protects your entire Audi electrical architecture.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech Stay Ahead.